Did you know puppies are basically tiny superheroes in disguise? Let's go. Fact 1. Puppies are born toothless. But don't worry. Those sharp little teeth come in later just to test your patience. Fact 2. Puppies dream when they sleep. That twitching? They're literally chasing dream squirrels. Fact 3. A puppy's nose is so powerful, it can smell your emotions. Sad? Happy? Nervous? They know. Fact 4. When puppies tilt their heads, they're not being cute on purpose. They're actually trying to understand you. So yeah, puppies aren't just adorable. They're emotional, dreaming, mind-reading fluff balls. Follow for more fun facts and subscribe.